We've all heard stories about magical fountains of youth, those legendary sources of water that promise to restore youth and vitality. Legends whisper of ancient remedies that promise long life, hidden in the pages of old manuscripts and the secrets of traditional herbal remedies. While these remain fantasies, the secret to a longer life might be simpler than we think. It might not be about mythical potions or hidden treasures, but rather about the choices we make every day. It could be hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen cupboard, among the everyday items we often overlook. Could it be the humble drink you start your day with? That morning ritual of pouring a cup of tea or coffee might hold more significance than we realize. For centuries, people have searched for the key to longevity, exploring distant lands and examining countless plants in their quest. They've explored exotic herbs and complex rituals, believing that the secret to a long life was hidden in these elaborate practices. However, the answer might lie in something far less glamorous: our daily habits. The small, consistent actions we take every day can have a profound impact on our health and longevity. This includes something as simple as what we choose to drink each morning. That daily cup of tea or coffee might be more than just a comforting routine. It's not about finding a magic potion or a quick fix. The true elixir of life is not something that can be bottled and sold. It's about making small, sustainable choices that add up over time. These choices, made consistently, can lead to a healthier, longer life, proving that the real magic lies in our everyday actions. We often associate longevity with grand gestures. We imagine strict diets and intense workout routines. But what if I told you that true longevity is rooted in the mundane? The everyday habits, repeated consistently, have a profound impact on our lifespan. Take centenarians, for example. These individuals who live to be 100 or older offer fascinating insights into longevity. They often credit their long lives not to extraordinary feats, but to simple daily practices. Their secret? They prioritize routines that support their physical and mental well-being. And one of the most consistent routines is their choice of morning beverage. We're constantly told that water is the healthiest choice. And while staying hydrated is crucial, it's not the only option for a healthy start to your day. In fact, many centenarians around the world begin their day with beverages beyond plain water. These drinks aren't just about taste. They're often packed with antioxidants and nutrients that contribute to overall health. Cultures around the world have long recognized the power of these beverages. They've incorporated them into their daily lives for generations, passing down the wisdom of their benefits. A world of centenarian drinks. Take a trip around the world, and you'll discover a fascinating array of morning drinks favored by centenarians. These drinks are not just beverages. They are a part of a lifestyle that promotes health and longevity. In the Mediterranean, it's common to find people enjoying a cup of coffee rich in antioxidants. This coffee is often savored slowly in the company of friends and family, making it a social ritual as much as a health practice. Okinawans in Japan often start their day with jasmine tea, known for its calming properties. This tea is not only soothing, but also packed with beneficial compounds that support overall well-being. In Costa Rica's Nicoya Peninsula, people swear by herbal infusions made from local plants. These herbal teas are believed to have medicinal properties that help in maintaining good health and vitality. Each region, with its unique environment and traditions, boasts a special drink that contributes to the longevity of its people. These drinks are often made from locally sourced ingredients, reflecting the natural bounty of the area. These beverages, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the diverse approaches to healthy aging. They are more than just drinks. They are a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors and their understanding of the natural world. Green tea. The common thread. While the specific drinks vary across different cultures and regions, there's one beverage that stands out for its prevalence among centenarians: green tea. From the serene islands of Okinawa to the picturesque villages of Ikaria, green tea is a common thread that weaves through the lives of the world's longest living people. And it's no wonder why this ancient beverage has stood the test of time. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are known for their health-boosting properties. These catechins have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and cognitive decline, making green tea a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental clarity, helping to reduce stress and improve focus. These remarkable properties make green tea more than just a simple beverage. It becomes a daily ritual that supports both physical and mental well-being. For many, this daily ritual of brewing and enjoying green tea is a moment of peace and reflection, a time to connect with oneself and with others, fostering a sense of community and shared tradition. Living proof in every cup. The benefits of green tea aren't just anecdotal. Numerous studies have linked green tea consumption to a longer, healthier life. In Okinawa, for instance, researchers have found that regular green tea drinkers have lower rates of chronic diseases and tend to live longer. Similarly, studies in the Mediterranean have shown that green tea consumption is associated with improved cardiovascular health. These findings, coupled with the anecdotal evidence from centenarians around the world, paint a compelling picture. Green tea might just be the real deal when it comes to supporting longevity. What's your morning brew? So, as you reach for your morning drink, consider this. What if the secret to a longer, healthier life is as simple as choosing the right beverage? It might be time to ditch the sugary drinks and explore the world of healthy alternatives. What's your morning brew? Share your go-to healthy drink in the comments below, and let's inspire each other. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button. Thanks.